Good morning, children. So yesterday we have done a basic concept of a language, that what a language is. Now, next we have done keywords also. Keywords are the reserved words. जैसे इंग्लिश है ना आपका इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, लाइक आई हैव रिटन कंसेप्ट ऑफ अ वेरिएबल एंड अ कांस्टेंट. सो दीज ऑल वर्ड्स हैव अ मीनिंग इन इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी. Fine. If I'll write like kaise ho, so in English it will give error because kaise ho is a Hindi word. It is not defined in English dictionary. Fine. So after keywords, we'll be doing a concept of a variable and a constant. You have done in mathematics what a variable means and what a constant means. Variable means whose variable, as a word itself suggests, whose value keeps on varying, means changing. And constant means with a fixed value. Fine. See, you have done algebra, or many of the questions you used to do, like suppose x equals to 20. So what you are supposing? You are putting what the value of x is 20 in one of the question. Fine. After that, what you do in some other question, you make like x equals to 70. Suppose any answer comes x equals to 70 or x equals to something else. So what is x? X is variable. Its value keeps on changing. उसका value fixed नहीं रहता. Its value keeps on changing. Fine. Like x, y, z, a, b, c, d. What are these? These all are variables. They don't have any fixed values. Like whenever we go for algebra and all, their values keeps on changing. In one question its value is something, another question it is something, some other it's something. Okay, so we can suppose and let the values for these variables also. But when we come for the case of a constant, so what is there in a constant? Constant means with the fixed values. With the fixed values means its value never changes. उसका value कभी भी change नहीं होता है. ये हमेशा क्या रहेगा? Fix रहेगा. जैसे you never do, कभी भी ऐसे नहीं करते हम. Let or suppose. In any of the question you never do suppose 5 equals to 25. कभी किया आपने ऐसा? No. This concept is totally wrong. We never do this. Why? Because 5 means 5 is having some weightage. Weightage means कोई magnitude. It's having some value 5. You cannot suppose 5 equals to something, or 5 will remain 5. Either you use in math, science, SST, on any of the subject, or in any of the question, 5 means 5. So constant means whose value never changes. So hope the concept of a variable and a constant is clear to everyone. So related to variable and constant, we are having identifiers and literals. So see, what are identifiers? It's given in your book. Identifiers are the fundamental building blocks of a program. No, you are not aware what is a program or what identifier means, but I'll relate it. What identifier means. See, a concept of a memory is clear to everyone. You know what is a memory? MEMORY. This is a memory. You have done a RAM, ROM. This is a primary memory. Then we come across secondary memory. That is what? Like hard disk. Then what else? Like pen drive or flash drive. You can say pen drive or flash drive. Then CD, DVD. The CD is like not used nowadays, but still I can mention. So you know what is a memory. Fine. So mostly the data, which this is a permanent memory and this is a temporary memory. And mostly whatever data we save in the computer, we save. That is always saved in secondary memory. Either in a flash drive, in a DVD, in a hard disk, or in a Blu-ray disc. Many more other storage devices, memory tapes and all. Many more storage devices are there. Fine. So now I'll just show you how the data is stored in a memory. See. This is the way. Memory. It is divided in this form. We'll just suppose that this is a computer memory, or memory is divided in this form. Fine. A data is stored in a particular block. Okay. ठीक है. And one more thing, बेटा, memory का हमेशा क्या होता है? Addressing. And addressing is always done by an operating system. We never do anything with the addressing and all. It is done beforehand. वो कौन करता है? It's a function of an operating system. Like suppose its address is 101, this is 102, this is 103. I'm just supposing, it's not like this, but still, like suppose we live in a like a multi-story building. Fine, the flat numbers are given. Flat numbers are given by the society itself. The one who designs these flats and all, the one who rents the flats or one who sell the flats, he or she used to give the numbering to the particular flat. Numbering कौन करता है? The owner. Owner नहीं, not owner. The one who built that particular building used to give the numbers to a particular flat, like 101, 102, 103, 104. And what you do? Suppose you have like a purchase this one, a flat with the number 101. You yourself write there, Mr. Singh. This is the name given by you. Fine. This is the address. Address means like the number of a flat. ठीक है? But this is Mr. Singh. Address is always unique for each memory location. Address can never be replicated. But name can be like this. Suppose in a flat number 120, one more Mr. Singh is there. But from which identity you are being known? With your house number. Clear to everyone? So hope the concept of address is clear to everyone. Address. Same way addressing is done in the memory. Fine. And whenever we go in any of the programming language, we always take variables. Hamesha variables. How we do that, I'll let you know in the programming. But now suppose in any of the programming language, किसी भी programming language में I've written x equals to 20. क्लियर? इसका मतलब क्या है कि एक नेम है x. क्या है? एक नेम है x. सपोज ये इस लोकेशन में कोई वैल्यू स्टोर है 20. ये एक मेमोरी लोकेशन है, इसका एड्रेस है सपोज 118 सपोज, और इसमें क्या स्टोर्ड है? 20. Suppose 20 is stored there. So I have written what? X equals to 20. So what in a language means x equals to 20? Means x is a name. It is a name. What name? Variable or identifier name. Identifier name. Which is pointing to a memory location. Which is pointing to a memory location that is holding which value? 20. बात समझ आई? What does this mean in Python? What does this mean in Python? X equals to 20. This means that x is a variable. X is not a variable. It is a name. It is a variable, but it is also a name, identifier, which is pointing to what? It is pointing to a memory location who is holding what? 20. What is the address of that particular memory location? 118. What is the address of that memory location? 118. Hope the concept of this is clear to everyone. What do you mean by identifier? So whenever we work with any of the language like Python and all, whenever you give names for the identifier, जब भी आप name देते हो किसी identifier का, there are few rules which you have to follow. Fine. Here it is written something like variables, objects, classes, functions. Later we'll do. Now you won't be able to understand what is this. Only the concept of variable is clear to you, and still more will be cleared when you will do the programming. Now identifier is an arbitrary long sequence of a letter and digits. These are what? Key rules. Whenever you give name to a particular what? Identifier, it should be a long sequence of letters or digits like this. See, these are valid identifiers, like you are giving a sequence of what? These are letters and digits. Together you can give underscores. You can start any identifier name with the underscore also, but you can never. See, upper and lower case letters are different. I have told you that Python is case sensitive. Means lowercase and uppercase is different. Means lowercase ABC, uppercase ABC. Uppercase means capital, lowercase means small. Both are different. So all characters are significant. So upper and lower is different. 0 and 9 can be a part. It can be a part of identifier, but you can never start any identifier name with the digit. Like suppose, see, this is not valid because this is 29 CLC. Suppose you given any name to a memory location this. So it is wrong. Why? Because it is started with the digit. It should not start with the digit. You can use digit, but not in the very beginning. Fine. Okay. Identifier are unlimited in length. Case is significant, same. Case sensitive. And identifier must not be a keyword of Python. Okay, now see, I've given my file, my this, whatever you can give. But these are the keywords. False, none. You can't take any of the identifier. आप किसी भी memory location को ये name नहीं दे सकते हो. You can't give these as a name of a memory location. Why? Because these are keywords. And keywords can never be a what? Identifier. बेटा इनका reserved words होते हैं. इनका they are having a special meaning in what? In this Python programming language. So this you can give, like तुम दे दो इसके लिए, you can give like name, जैसे आपने दे दिया like customer, ये variable, ये दे सकते हो आप variable name, या like you can give name or anything else like roll number without spaces. In case you want to use space, suppose you want to use roll number underscore number, that way you can use. Fine, but don't give spaces between, like you can't do this roll and then number, it is wrong. Or nor you can use dot. Dot can never be used in any of the identifier name. Again, it is wrong. Clear to everyone? So hope the concept of identifier is clear. See, these are the valid and these are invalid. Why? Because only underscore is used in what? With identifiers. See, we are using hyphen. Again wrong. Here it is started with the digit. Again wrong. Again break. Break is a reserved word. It is a reserved word. So it cannot be used as a identifier name. And again dot is also not used. So just go through this till today. This is enough. Thank you so very much.